Samsung S25 series is launching next month in January 2025. Earlier we saw live videos of the beast itself, the Samsung S25 Ultra, and which showcases the full design of the phone and of course so-called new look. But now someone has shared the live photos of the Samsung S25 Plus. The design of this phone is pretty similar to the S24 Plus of this year. We might just have a new camera sensor and the major upgrade would be Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The camera rings on the rear side looks little bit different, but the placement of all sensors is same, I mean the layout. From the side it can be seen that this is the major design change. This S25 series would be now more of boxy shaped devices, not rounded like its predecessors. Looking at the front side, the bezels are shrinked a little bit, but not like the S25 Ultra. The S25 Ultra will have thinnest bezels ever, giving it a nice and cleaner look. Also thinner from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This S25 Ultra will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the latest one from Qualcomm. This is the main highlight of the phone, and rumors are suggesting that S25 series or at least the Plus and Ultra variants will have Snapdragon 8 Elite globally, which is still insane move, as Samsung is just gonna say goodbye to Exynos chipsets. Now another thing you would notice here upon closer look is that the S25 Plus is running One UI 7. We can say this fully sure by the icon of the battery. It's the latest icon in One UI 7 we saw earlier in leaked videos. It's more like a pill shape now, which looks cool. In the recent event of One UI 7 official launch, Samsung did confirm that S25 series will have One UI 7 out of the box.
And the official version of One UI 7 with all of game-changing AI features will be released next year with the next Galaxy S.
One UI 7 will be the real upgrade in S25 Ultra. All the icons are more roundish this time, giving the UI more nice and cleaner look. Another major upgrade would be the anti-reflective panels in S25 series. We are not sure about the Plus or Vanilla variant, but the Ultra will have anti-reflective display for sure. And Apple has been struggling for that from years. Till the iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't have that much higher quality of anti-reflective display. It's difficult to use iPhones in bright sunlight. There are 4 cameras on the rear side, as you can see on S25 Ultra. The primary sensor is a 200 megapixel sensor from Samsung SP2, a 10 megapixel 3x lens, a 50 megapixel 5x sensor, and then the GN3 ultra wide angle sensor. So it's just this new ultra wide sensor this time. The rest is all the same, and for the S25 Plus this would be pretty much same. Samsung is also working on the S25 Slim, which will be competitor for Apple's iPhone 17 Air. But Samsung isn't launching the S25 Slim along with their S25 lineup. It will be launched separately somewhere in first quarter of the 2025. On the other hand, Apple will be launching iPhone 17 Slim with the official launch of iPhone 17 lineup, which usually happens in September. So both of these brands are rumored to have way thinner designs for these phones. So it's gonna be exciting competition. So that's all for now. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.